Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Fortnite unsupported graphics card error. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So what you first want to do is go ahead and close Epic Games Launcher and close Fortnite. You also want to go to the Task Manager, and on Task Manager you want to go ahead and find Epic Games Launcher. Once you will find Epic Games Launcher, you want to click End Task, so it would disappear from here. And also if there's any other related processes, you want to end the tasks for them too. Now you want to go ahead on Search now and go to Device Manager. On Device Manager you will see this, and now you want to find Display Adapters. You want to click this little arrow and you will find here your graphics cards. So you want to go ahead, click on the card you want to you have an error with, and basically disable device. So you want to click disable device, click yes, and after that you want to again click on the same card and click enable. It will basically restore it, and now you want to go ahead, open up Epic Games Launcher and launch Fortnite, and that should fix your problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.